Hey guys, this video will be my husband helping me dye my hair red, and I'm just showing you here some of the items that I got my hands on to do this. Guys, disclaimer, this video is not for professionals. I am not giving any tips or advice here. I am just doing this for entertainment purposes only. I'm having a good time with my husband and letting him dye my hair, and if he messes it up, I mean, who's really gonna see it? I just wanted to have some fun, and I'm just showing you every single one of these items will be listed down below, as well as where I got them. Most of these products I did get from Sally's Beauty Supply. Other ones I already had at home. Now I did use in this video 1.5 tubes of magenta, and then the H9 and H12 the whole tub. And I already know I messed up on what colors I'm getting. I wanted a red and I couldn't find the red one, so I used these. I wish I had like simple ass measurements.
What do you mean?
Like for people that don't do hair and don't know what the hell they're doing. Here we go. Hold on, where are my glasses? I don't know why this one's white, but it's white.
Oh my god. Ay, Yesenia. Si te madreo. You're paying to fix it. Which one?
Either one. Both need to be squeezed in there.
All of it?
Yeah.
Not 2.5 ounces?
No, no, 2.5 ounces of this one.
Oh. You do realize I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, right? I thought you knew. That's why I was like, alright.
I watched YouTube.
What's
this?
Were you paying attention?
Shut up.
Alright.
Okay, you can toss it.
Huh?
Like you just apply that on the hair and that's it.
You don't have any?
It lifts the dark hair and it applies the red. I don't have to bleach it or anything.
No, I thought you said you were going to do different colors.
Yeah, they're different colors.
You're putting them all in here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because the color I want,
It's a mix of all this?
yeah, it's a mix of all that.
I hope this isn't the video that hair, cosmetologists look at and they're like, oh.
It is.
You're doing. No, don't add that.
Yep. You did way more than half on that one.
I didn't squeeze all this. I'm telling you. Chingao.
I want to over put on that.
What's this?
Eso es lo que te aplica el color. Te quita el...
Jesus Christ.
Make sure you're doing like the bottom. Like
Okay.
down here.
Now that you told me, I will guarantee that. Okay? Seriously?
You have to start in the bottom. Like I previously said, this video is just for fun, just to entertain and to do something different with my hair since we've been in quarantine this whole time. It's just a change that I wanted to do. We do end up doing this twice. So this is one day, and then I just did a full head of just the color red that I will link a picture towards the end of the video. I did 2 of those containers the next day, and it came out looking pretty awesome afterwards. So just watch this for entertainment only. It is funny and it's just a good time to play around with things. I love the color red on my hair. I've had it previously, ombre and full head red, and I did miss it. I'm usually always a dark brown or almost black, so I got very excited to go back to red. And I did forget to put Vaseline, and you will see me here putting it on. I think because I put it on so thickly and without looking in a mirror is why some of the color didn't grab towards my forehead. So it's also good that we went back, because I was able to fix that and to just add more red, since that's the color that I was looking for. I just couldn't find that color because it kept selling out. So I just finished my eyebrows. I know they look a little bit crazy. I am only applying this for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna jump in the shower. I just wanted to match my eyebrows just a tiny bit, get a little bit of the color, and then I'm also going to look for an eyebrow pencil that sort of matches this. Hopefully I find one, but I just didn't want my eyebrows to be so harsh because I do have very dark black eyebrows, so I wanted them to go with my hair a little bit. But so far this is it. Okay guys, this is the outcome. This is how I came out after washing it. I wasn't fully satisfied. I wanted to make sure I get a lot more bright red, so I did use 2 boxes of the red color and then dyed it the following day, and the outcome came out pretty awesome. Hey guys, I just finished recording this makeup look. It should be up after this video, so stay tuned for that. Also, this is how the hair came out. I know you guys wanted to see it. It's so pretty. I am so in love with it. I really do love it. My husband did such a beautiful job. It's so pretty. It's a lot brighter by my baby hairs and all that, and it's a little bit, just a tiny bit deeper as it goes down, and that is because I did use box hair dye previously, and you know, if you know about hair, you know how that goes. But I think my husband did just such an amazing job, and I love it. I really do. But stay tuned for the next video where I show you this makeup look, and thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.